Welcome back guys, this is Ina. Today I'm going to show you how to write capital G in engrossed script using the word growth. You will also learn two new lowercases which are W and H in this word. And at the end of the video, I'll demonstrate on writing the simple proverb, good things require time. We have already done all the alphabet in this proverb in our previous episodes except the lowest KD. But I don't think you will have problem writing it. It's basically a combination of novel and an undertone. Make sure you stick around to the end. Well, now let's start with today's alphabet. Capital G begins with the entrance stroke like we do in the capital C, but instead of drawing a big oval, we make the turn as it touches the header line and stop at the middle of the second space. And the compound curve starts at the first ascending line like this. You should be able to see three ovals in a nice G. Lowercase w. Start with the entrance stroke and follow with two undertones. The two undertones needs to be similar in size, and finish with an exit stroke. These three strokes should be parallel to each other. Lowercase h begins with the entrance stroke, follow with the ascending loop, and then a compound curve starts at the baseline. If you line up the loop and the bottom part, the lines should be parallel with the stem on the slant. Now, I'm going to quickly write the rest of the letters we have gone through before in our previous episodes. Now, I'm going to show you how to join the letters together. I deliberately did not fill up the lip with the ink, so you can see clearly how each stroke is written. Let's do it again with the lip fully filled up, and after that we'll start writing our first proverb in engrossed script. The proverb I choose to write is from John Wooden. Good things require time. The meaning is we shouldn't expect good things to happen overnight. Just like learning calligraphy, it takes time to master the skill, but you will be able to do it if you put your mind to it. Here are some watercolor washed paper I created. I usually create a bunch of them when I have time, and they come very handy when you need to write a card for someone. They are fun and easy to make. It makes the card more interesting and beautiful to look at. You just need to make sure the watercolor is dry completely before you write on it with the ink. Otherwise, the ink will bleed through the watercolor. the next video, I'll show you how to write capital H in engrosser script with the word happy. In this word, we also learn two new lowercases, P and Y. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Another giveaway will be run in the next episode. Make sure you're subscribed with the notification on so you won't miss out. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.